Good evening. In this particular segment, I like to give you some information regarding that National Bureau of India. So totally six number of national bureaus are functioning under ICAR system. In that the first one is ICAR, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. The headquarters is New Delhi. Actually, the history of that NPPGR is concerned. That late Dr. Harbhajan Singh as a first operational scientist, because of his leadership, he taken up a project on plant introduction in the year 1946 as a part of that botany division of IRA work. Then later this particular thing was strengthened and expanded in the name of Plant Introduction and Exploration Organization, the same division in 1956. Then during the year 1961, that above organization is separated as a separate division of plant introduction in IRA. Then after that high level committee constituted by the government of India, so they made a recommendation to elevate the division of plant introduction into a division of that is National Bureau of Plant Introduction in August 1976. Then again 1977, that National Bureau of Plant Introduction was renamed as National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, that is NPPGR, to the year January 1977. So under NPPGR, that have 5 divisions, 3 units and an experimental farm, and the headquarters also Delhi. Apart from that, this have 10 regional stations located in different phytogeographical zones of the country. The first regional station is Shimla, so that is located in Himachal Pradesh. That started during the year 1960. They are undertaking that activity of collection, evaluation, characterization and maintenance of the temperate crops. So Shimla serves a regional station with reference to temperate crops. Then Jodhpur, Rajasthan, that is located on CAZRA campus, started during the year 1965. So they are working with the crops of agriculture and horticulture crops for arid and semi-arid zones. Then Thrissur, Kerala, so started during the year 1977. So they are responsible for collection and evaluation of the germplasm of southern peninsular regions, particular emphasis on spices and plantation crops. Then Nakola, Maharashtra, started during the year 1977, responsible for exploring Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Tamil Nadu for germplasm collection. It also undertake evaluation maintenance of crops suited to central India and Deccan Plateau. And Shillong, Meghalaya, who started during the year 1978, involved in collection, evaluation of agri-hortic crops, germplasm of northeastern region, including Sikkim and parts of the northern Bengal. Then Bawali, Uttarakhand, started during the year 1985. So they are working with the subtropical and subtemperate regions. And Cuttack, Orissa, so they started during the year 1985. So they mainly concentrating on eastern peninsular regions. Main emphasis on the rice germplasm. Then Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, started during the year 1985. So they are engaged in speedy repatriation of the pest and pathogen free material as well as quarantine clearance the germplasm. And also they undertaken the work of exploration, evaluation, seed increase for agri-horticulture crops of the Andhra Pradesh and adjoining area. Ranchi, Jharkhand, started during the year 1988. So they are working on the tropical fruits and other field crops of the Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Then Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, started during the 1988. So they are working in agri-horti germplasm of the temperate crops of the Jammu and Kashmir. So these are all the 10 regional stations working under NPPGR. The second bureau is National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganisms, in short called as NBAIM. Established through the funding of the Department of Agriculture Research and Extension Minister of Agriculture in the 9th plan period, that is 2001. So initially the bureau started functioning at the old NBPJR building at New Delhi, then transferred to that Mau, Uttar Pradesh on 1st June 2004. And the main aim of this particular institute is concerned to promote and coordinate systematic and scientific research in the area of agriculturally important microorganisms in order to improve the agriculture productivity. And the bureau houses national agriculturally important microbial culture collection with more than 5,000 microbial accession isolated from different parts of the country. And also this institute recognized as a national repository under Biodiversity Act by National Biodiversity Authority of India. And also they are responsible for registration authority for elite microbial germplasms, and also responsible, they are acting as a national microbial genomic resource repository, and also they are partnering with National Agricultural Bioinformatics Grid. So these are all the things with reference to National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganisms. The third one is the National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resources, NBAIR, so located in Bangalore. So NBAIR, formerly known as the National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Insect, that is located in Bangalore. The same premises, the Commonwealth Institute of Biological Control, CIPC, Indian station was established in 1957. Then CIPC, they taken very good work, and they made a history with reference to beginning of the organized systematic biological control research in India. But unfortunately during 1987, CIPC India station was closed. The same place, the ICAR, they started All India Coordinator Research Project on Biological Control of Crop Pests and Weeds to the year 1977, and that project was shifted to that same campus, the CIPC campus, during 1988. Then center was named as a Biological Control Center, and the entire program functioned under the administrative or financial control of the National Center for Integrated Pest Management. Then in the 8th 5-year plan, the project was elevated to an independent project directorate of biological control with its headquarters at Bangalore during 1993. Then PDPC was a nodal agency in the country that organizes biological control research at the national level with 16 centers spread across the country. During the 11th plan, that PDPC was upgraded as National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Insect, that is NBAII, to act as a nodal agency for collection, characterization, documentation, conservation, exchange and utilization of the agriculturally important insect resources, including mites, spiders, for sustainable agriculture. During 12th 5-year plan period, the Bureau is now renamed as National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resources, that is NBAIR. The Bureau activity was divided into 3 divisions, like Division of Germplasm Collection and Characterization, Division of Germplasm Conservation and Utilization, Division of Genomic Resources. So these are all the matter related to National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resources, that is NBAIR. Then 4th one is National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, in short call it as NBSS and LUP, that located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. So actually the Government of India, they launched All India Soil Survey Scheme 1956, which expanded in 1959 as the All India Soil and Land Use Survey Organization, that is AIS and LUS. Then again 1969, that AIS LUS was fabricated into 2 wings, one being attached with the ICAR. That one was later in 1973 reconstituted as a separate directorate through the presidential notification. Again, that directorate was accorded the status of the Bureau in 1976 and was named as National Bureau of Soil Survey Land Use Planning, with the headquarters is Nagpur, Maharashtra. So they are entrusted the activity like soil survey, remote sensing applications, land evaluation and land use planning. The fifth one is National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, that is NBAGR. The headquarters located at Karnal. Actually, this NBAGR was established 21st September 1984 at Bangalore in the form of twin institutions, namely National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources and the National Institute of Animal Genetics. Then the institute was shifted from Bangalore to Karnal during 1985. Then twin institute was merged and formed a National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources in 1995. And this premier institute is dedicated to work with its mandate of identification, evaluation, characterization, conservation, utilization of the livestock, poultry, genetic resources of the country. So that is National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, NBAGR. Then sixth one, that is ICAR, National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, that is ICAR, NBFGR. So located at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So actually this one is established during December 1983 in a rented premises at Allahabad. Then mainly to undertake the activity of conservation of the fish germ blossom resources. And then separate building was established at Lucknow and 1999 for about 52 acres of area. So now that institute working with the vision of assessment and conservation of fish genetic resources for intellectual property protection, sustainable utilization and posterity. So these are all the 6 National Bureau are available in India. So with that I am completing that information about National Bureau of India's. Thank you.